I think we all have had a lot of experiences with products we used in the past. So the digitalization in photography, in music, in all that changed our life already a lot. And I think that what's ahead of us is to transport this kind of opportunities into the industrial life. So individualization becomes a lot easier in the future, so that you can choose your t-shirt and get it a week later delivered from very flexible factories. And I think this is a big change which we can expect from Industry 4.0 to make our life easier and more pleasant.